Yeah, 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 yeah. I got melanin. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I got melanin. You mad? We got melanin. 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 We get it from my mama.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Fashionisha's Flavor. Good to see you. It's good to see you. Take a seat. Take a seat. If you are already subscribed, I want to say thank you so much because my channel has my channel has reached over 50 subscribers, and I want to say thank you. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Alright, so today I'm going to do my everyday makeup routine. Now, disclaimer, I do not do this every day because I like my sleep, and if I gotta be up at 9, I want to sleep to 8:30, okay? But this is just when I'm going somewhere, and I'm not a makeup person, so I only use concealer, nothing else. I used to only use foundation until I found this concealer, and I was like, hey, there's no turning back. This is it. So yes, let me show you guys what I'm going to use. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's in the color Dark Cocoa, because your girl's dark. Okay. Okay. And I just started doing my eyebrows like 2 months ago. Probably in November. Yeah, my eyebrows used to be thick, but I got them threaded one day and they ain't been thick ever since. So I'm never doing that again, okay? I'm never doing that again. And it hurt. I'm gonna stick to waxing one and done, okay? But I use this Grow Brow eyebrow kit from the beauty supply store. Just something simple. I don't use a pencil, none of that. I need to grow up, huh? We gonna grow up together on this channel. Me and y'all, we're gonna grow up together, okay? Anywho, let's get started. It's nothing special. It's just some aloe vera body lotion. Then I'm going to use some cocoa butter. And I also add this to my lips as well. I just hate to put on makeup before my skin to be really dry, so just make sure I get it in there good. Get it in there good, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get started. Let's get started, shall we? even know what the mascara is called. I done had it so long and the name is all wiped off, but I'm using this mascara. For my lip, I'm going to be using this Mary Kay lip gloss. It's in the color Cafe with, you know, the Beauty Supply lip gloss on top. You know, can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong. Yeah, this smells so good. So good. Smells like a cafe. That's all I can say. That's what it smells like. Extra shine. Okay, yes ma'am. And believe it or not, y'all, that's it. Nope, no eyeshadow. Nope, no highlighter. Nope, no foundation. That's it. I do not do makeup, y'all. Yeah, this probably be the only makeup video I have, unless I try some stuff, because I don't do nothing else. I know, it's crazy, right? Now I gotta get this hair done. I can't go looking like this. 1 second. Yes, ma'am. How I'm looking? Good or really good? I'm just kidding. I think I look good though. I think I'm cute. This is not good. This could be bad for the people on my social media. Speaking of my social media, if you are not following me on all my social media, you losing, sis? Follow me. Follow me. And we can be social. We can be friends. I do not mind. We can be friends. Let me know down in the comments if you guys like this or not. Let me know if y'all do makeup. If y'all have any makeup tips for me, I can take them off. Because as you can see, there's not much here on my face. So maybe I need to, you know, add some stuff. You know, highlighter. You know, folks be blinding you. I don't know how to blind you. Sorry. I can't. Nope. Not me. Thank y'all for watching another one of my videos. Make sure you come back. Make sure you subscribe. Are you subscribed? If you're not, subscribe, see? It's right there. It's somewhere over here. Just subscribe. It's easy. One click, sis. Make sure you like, comment down below, and I will see you guys. Oh, sorry, I forgot. May your curls pop. And your grind never stop.